and we're gonna find out why is that so. Ladies and gentlemen, for the very first time live here on the Open Live Show is Mr. Rick Carby. Good evening, sir.
Good evening to you, sir. Good evening. Sorry.
Yeah,
good evening to you, sir.
I can hear you now. So how you been? How you been?
Yeah, I'm great. And give thanks for.
Are you bring the little rain of fall earlier on because no rain in a fall last week, you know. And this
blessing.
Week, a year
well,
let's
tell us something bring the blessing.
Your blessing fall.
Yeah, really, yeah.
We're like the fall in there because it's cold outside.
Yeah. Mix the bitter with the sweet. That's
That's true. So how's it been for you? How's things been for you?
It's been calm. I give thanks for being here first and foremost, for the invite.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Thanks to you for, you know what I mean, reaching out, for me reaching out as well, and you know what I mean?
Of course.
The journey that you guys are embracing with the artists who are basically, to say, up and coming.
Yep.
Giving us that platform.
Yep.
To, you know what I mean, tell the world what we're about, what we're about in that retrospect. So yeah, we give thanks for that.
I will give thanks for you acknowledging that because well, not a lot of people do acknowledge that because we're trying our best to make what's due with what we have, and you know, one hand wash it the other. So
yeah,
give thanks for that.
Of course. It's an appreciation, you know what I mean, and it's a gratitude. But the big song we're going right now, gratitude is a must.
Gratitude is a must.
Yeah,
pick up the coffee.
Of course.
That was so, Mr. Riccarbi. First of all, what I'm most intrigued about you is I want to find out the name because me name Rick, you name Rick. How did your Rick come about?
All right, my Rick is a shortening of
is
Eric.
Eric.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not the same because my Rick is Ricardo.
Okay.
So, you know,
Okay.
I'm going for different name. I can't do it. I have about 100 different names.
Yeah.
They call me Big Rick, call me get big and fat.
Yep.
They call me Up and Live. They call me a different type of names.
Yeah, see him here still. But the Rick, I kind of use it at the stage where I wanted to be in music.
Okay.
From like the early stages when I said, you know what, of course from my youth, we love music, we love singing. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Most of the singing, but as time went on,
yeah,
we started gravitating to the music itself, writing and acknowledging. So you wanted to create your own identity.
You have to do that.
And one of the first things as an artist, you want to find a name that represents. So I didn't want to even at the same time stray away too far from the origin. Yeah. So you know what I mean? Yeah. So I said, you know what, why not use a Rick? And at the time, them used to call me at high school, back home, back Jamaica, Carby.
Listen, Jamaican have the Jamaican harsh when my name, you know.
No, yeah.
Because exactly.
I see that Carby, it was an intention for me, really harsh towards me.
Yeah.
When I got that name, so yeah.
But you embrace it. That's the thing.
Yes, I did. Because you know when a name stick, don't try.
Yeah.
Don't try. You know that's why it is in Jamaica.
You see when you if you decide say you're gonna try fight the name.
Yeah, man.
The name gonna stick
hard. And then it's gonna hurt you because they're gonna call in a name, calling on we.
If they
where you know what I mean.
If they have a final say not like it.
Yeah.
Worst thing, especially if you go in school.
Yep.
Yeah.
So yeah, I embraced the name, and it was kind of unique as well. The Carby,
of course.
You know what I mean. And I know there was a Ras Carby in the music as well.
Yeah, there is a Ras.
Yeah, so it kind of like works. So Rick Carby, worked for me, and I've always embraced the name from them times till now. Still.
Definitely. So were you born here in the UK or were you born in
Jamaica? No, I was born in Jamaica. I come mid 20s, late 20s, so I think.
Okay, so you like me then?
Yeah, of course. Well, of course. You know, we come and we adapt and we embrace, you know what I mean, and the difference, and but as I say, you know what I mean, you climatize. That's basically it.
Because people think that you're going to live in England for all your life, and you're going to think that you're going to talk like you're still doing a back past. People just want me to feel like me if you talk like I'm still their country. Not in country, in London. If I talk that way there, and the people them all look at me like,
not half of the people them are gonna understand. So sometimes you have to, you know what I mean, break it down in a way that it's understandable. And of course, with over time you will grab onto the accent.
That's
right.
I
think, you know what I mean. It's a
that
natural thing, you know what I mean. So yeah, that's it really.
So in terms of your music, were you doing music back in Jamaica? Or
Funny. I was doing music. As I said, I love music from my youth. Little baby as my father, I can't remember. I remember going when we first moved back from Kingston to St. Mary.
Are you from St. Mary as well?
Yes.
Which part in St.
Riccarbi.
Yeah, like a not coast.
Yeah, right on the coastal side. Oh, look, it's on the outer skirts of Riccarbi still, on the hilly sides of Riccarbi, but it's all within that same community, Hamilton Mountains still.
I'm me originally from Gale.
Okay, but you could know some of my brethren them that who went to St. Mary's High School.
It's a small world.
That's what I'm saying. So sometimes it's good fit.
Yeah, it's good fit. That's
yeah,
right. That's
you know
what I mean.
Exactly.
So I want to ask you this in terms of, because you do mostly you do dancehall and you do reggae music, right? The state of dancehall music now. Where do you think it's hot? Are you comfortable in terms where the genre is, or you think that something needs to change?
I'm not gonna say change, It's just sometimes there's certain little, for me personally, when you observe, it's like so there's certain little tweakings.
Yeah.
For us as artists, I think we more need to be aware of what the business side actually represents.
Yeah.
And I'm seeing that more where because you have to be independent these days.
Yeah.
You have more of a rounded approach of the music business itself.
Yeah.
Rather than just being an artist. So it allows you to embrace the different branches of the music rather than just the creative aspects of it. You know what I mean? So dancehall in itself, as rose, then so to speak. You know what I mean? Over the last few years, where you know what I mean, a lot of international artists are easily collaborating and you know what I mean,
because
embracing it. And
now where I think where the changes has been made is where the dancehall artists now has to become they no longer has to be just concentrating on just doing the music in the studio. As you say, they have to be doing more social media, more out there in the space, and more into people's face, and more collaborating with the audience. So then, by doing this, your brand becomes huger than even your craft sometimes. So that's why, in terms of the dancer artist doing songs with mainstream acts now, it's more accessible because he can just build up his own platform and he doesn't have to wait for a third person party to say, all right, listen, this guy Ray, you can just go on the internet and you find yourself.
But the chances are back in the days of an artist hearing a vibe, you like say per se on Instagram and you hear a vibe and you're like, I like that vibe. The chances are now better.
It's better
where an artist will go see and say, I'm like that vibe, and you know what I mean, who's the artist? Reach out to him, you know what I mean? You never know, because that's how a lot of artists nowadays are, you know what I mean, getting that sort of opportunities for to collaborate with bigger artists, you know what I mean, for the music for grow on a wider scale as well, you know what I mean? So in terms of the whole demographics of the dancehall, I wouldn't say it's changed, it's just evolved more.
It's evolved, it's grown.
Yeah, exactly.
That's a good point. So how do you feel you have been fitting into the space here in the UK? How is the UK working for you? Are you liking it, or is it not? What's happening for you, or what?
You have to embrace challenges, Yeah. So you can't say, well, boy, because for me back in the days, UK, we never said well, it was a strong, dancehall ground. It was more like a reggae ground, didn't it?
It was,
so back in the days, we would always be aware of people like the Aswads and also exactly. And then you had like John Holt, Freddie McGregor, who was based here more or less. Gregory Isaac, they were always here. So then more upon them side of them embrace reggae music in that sort of sense. But over the years, dancehall has, you know what I mean, you know what I mean, start growing and growing, where the English within itself, you know what I mean, the society within itself, the music, you know what I mean, lovers are embracing it as well. Because you're going, I'm living in a neighborhood, let's say dominantly white, and when it comes to summer, that's what everyone's playing. You know what I mean? So you can see where, and that, when I moved that area, that wasn't that sort of popularity that was, you know what I mean?
Well, again, it goes back to the same thing where it's more accessible now. People know it's easier to find the music rather than there was only a handful of people that was distributing it them. But you have to go like to niche venues, like selective venues to hear dancehall music. Now it's easy to accessible. There's YouTube, there's all different type of streaming media. So if someone hears a song that they like from their favorite artist, they're easy to find it right away. You don't have to be waiting for the record to reach UK, which would probably take over weeks back in the days. So maybe that's what has changed the business. But for you, Riccarbi, 2019, what materials do you have now that you think is gonna do it for Riccarbi for 2019? What's modeling for you now?
Since last year, I embrace a different attitude towards be more like career minded in that sort of sense. So I've seem to like the professional side of it.
Yeah.
More of up my ante, so to speak. So from last year, collaborating with like Dohlance, or we've been doing over a few years now, but as I said, the more business and taking that more hands-on approach.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We've done that. So on that basis, we've like earmarked songs for release, say within a period of time. So to have that sort of consistency. Okay. So like from last year, I came out with a song "Who to Trust" that garnered a sort of attention. Yeah. So from that now, I'm building on it. I've done spirits before, but as I say, that song has allowed me to like open up audiences, so to speak. So on that basis,
you find it harder to break here. Do you find it harder to connect the music, connect to who you want it to connect from here?
As I said, the social media is there for you, but obviously, if you're then in Jamaica, you have a stronger, because obviously the world is paying attention to Jamaica.
Yeah, they are.
You know what I mean? So,
well.
In terms of like when they say you want to find the new next talent in reggae or dancehall, the audience, the world audience is going to be looking in that sort of direction. But you know, as an English-based artist, that's not a deterrent to say that, you know what I mean, the music that you have inside is not, you know what I mean, as the same that's coming from yard, so to speak, because you've now seen where artists based in the UK, you know what I mean, stylogy, so to speak, you know what I mean, so so we can just take that inspiration and use it and run with it. But we've got some good things that's coming up.
I heard you just said you done a song with Dohlance, and he's here with us in the studio and he's typing away. I would just like to have a quick 5 seconds. You want to jump in so I can get the people that moves in the studio, because he's here in the studio with us this evening. So I think we should bring him in onto one of our cameras as well. Yeah, he's here live. Good evening, people. This is Dohlance. He's here as well. What's good?
Yeah, man. Everything good, you know. Upload, up and up, hot.
That's right.
Yeah,
people, for those who watching right now, if you could just tell people what kind of artist is Dohlance.
Well, I don't know. So Dohlance is a diverse artist, you know, versatile, you know, reggae, dancehall, pop, all kind of same thing when you're music.
Yeah.
You don't know, so we have to unite.
Just music.
Just music.
Yes. Yeah. Talk to me about the collaboration that you had together with Riccarbi.
No, we've done a few still. We've done a few.
Yeah, like Warriors. Yeah, Warriors, yeah.
And that was a song of the week on BBC as well. That was like 2 years ago. BBC Extra, introducing,
But that's good.
Yeah.
So what's the chemistry? Because I realize that you got more than one projects together. Talk to me about the chemistry between you guys working together.
Well, working together is fun, you know.
Yeah.
We are both honest person to each other, you know, like brothers, you know. And we are both talented, you know, and hardworking, so the chemistry is glued right there, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I am a hardworking person, he's a hardworking person. We love that.
Yeah, near to perfectionist.
When it comes to music,
if
it's not hard work, we don't worry with it.
Yeah, that makes sense. Put your microphone a bit closer so they can hear you properly. So about you both doing great things, because I've seen one of the singers I really like. I like as I said, the chemistry is there, and I think that's the most important thing for people to gravitate to your music. Because if it doesn't sound good together, people is not obviously not gonna like it. So for 2019, you have anything that you're working on at the moment, Dohlance?
Well, we just released Indu Jam Rhythm. Yeah, and we got the Hot Puff coming out next. Yeah, and
what's it called? Hot Puff?
Yeah, Hot Puff.
So why you call this song Hot Puff?
The rhythm.
Got some hot things and just the rhythm.
Yeah, the rhythm.
That's the rhythm called Hot Puff.
Instrumentals, yeah.
Okay, so you do production as well.
Yeah, we are the one who do the production.
Most of the productions, because we run on a label Captions.
Okay.
Yeah, so the Captions is the production behind the artist and other artists as well.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So that's where we, you know what I mean?
So that's the name of your brand, right?
Yeah, Captions.
Captions,
Captions Music.
And do you have like a base? Do you have like a studio? Is that, or is it online or anything? How people can find this Captions?
Yeah, Caption on Facebook, Instagram. Yeah.
Along with the individual artists itself, Riccarbi, Instagram, Riccarbi, Twitter, Riccarbi, Facebook. So you know, I mean, keep it consistent with the name sort of thing. So as you go, Riccarbi. You know what I mean? But Captions, as I say, is under the umbrella.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So you, Riccarbi, for you, working with any other artists here in the UK, who would be your ideal collaboration? I know Dohlance is already a favorite. Moving, any more individuals that you see that you would like to work with that you haven't worked with yet?
You know, funny, you know, for me and you, there's a younger artist himself, Maxi Priest.
Yeah, it's very good artist.
Yeah, Maxi Priest, but just, you know what I mean? I can sing a Maxi Priest all day long, you know what I mean? And it's an inspiration as well. So yeah, for like singing with someone like Maxi Priest, that would probably be an honor for me, you know what I mean? Straight on.
Definitely. And you, Dohlance?
Well, to be honest, I always have someone, but since the new year, I kind of calmed down on this. Want to collaborate, because I've done a lot. So now's the time
you're working on yourself?
Yeah.
That makes
I'm working on myself and Riccarbi right now.
That makes sense.
Yeah, we kind of, I see where we have a little, about 10% of laps last year, 2018, and it's because of all these works, we're stretching out extra hands, you know?
Yeah.
It's like
you're not putting in owning in your own craft.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
So this year we kind of buckle up and lace up our shoes, you know.
That's right. So people, remember you heard it first right here. And the brother said, I'm gonna make sure to start out for himself first before you do anything else. And that's the instruction. And when you go on the plane, you know, them say if the plane is crashing, make sure you put on your seatbelt first. Yeah. So what we're gonna do here? Normally, what we have when we have artists like yourself here, we're on the studio. There's microphones and we have a beat. So we're just gonna play a beat. And whenever you feel like, if you feel like you want to jump in, you just do something, all right?
Okay.
Okay, people, so remember we call this segment the freestyle. So here we go, yeah? If you like it, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Simple, just be as honest as possible, all right?
No problem.
People right here up on live show, this is Riccarbi featuring Dohlance. The freestyle session starts now. No, that's not the right one. Let's start with this one.
Say as I rise in the morning,
I need
some birds in my head all night.
The same in the evening. I've gotta smoke it till my eyes get red. Serve is the healing of the nation, and Babylon not try hide the truth. And I smoke. Lift it. I know our style is. Our style is like, you know, lame like that. Let's start it again, man.
Yeah, man.
Run it again, man.
Yes, start it again, prompt up again.
Yeah, man, I know our
style.
Alright,
reset. Let's go again.
Listen to the thing.
Yeah.
Ooh, no. Riccarbi, Dohlance. Hey, listen. Oh, you fi see me, I sing, I do my thing, and I hate me, yeah. Teeth them a grin, but you eye them a say you no rate me, but I don't care. The food up on my table, you never did prepare. One shirt on my back, I eat you a try for tear. Moving like a apps, a straight cut and clear. But I'ma tell you this clear, yeah. Dirty bad mind, fix up. Better you change your ways. Loady one bag and mix up. You don't see your time to elevate. Seems like we're living in a enemy state. So call friends and naps, them a congregate. So me they up on a mission for me. And Dohlance, them no want see we create.
One of them friends that pretend to be dead. Nowadays them type of friendship that begrudge you for a head. Dirty bad man and jealousy. Friends of it a spread. Then we see your blue sky and still want paint it red. Me pour me heart give friends that a lot of sacrifice. Them not have me have and give them still them not satisfy. Them come around and smile if you cut than a plastic rice. Them we crucify you on a cross like your name Christ. Singer.
Oh yeah. No. Riccarbi, yo. So sing. 7 years, 7 nights. Seven lady. Bring it low. Bounce it low. 7 years, 7 nights. This is what she do. It go like this. Hey. 7 years, 7 different style like. Each day of the week, she give me 7 nights, 7 different highlights. Make me never want leave, no. 7 years, 7 different style like. Each day of the week, she give me 7 nights, 7 different highlights. Me say she start on the Sunday with the God bless touch. Monday name can't go no walk. Tuesday head brush, Wednesday good luck. Thursday she a hold me and one love me up. She says Friday come out.
No man, you don't stop it. This is free line. You just continue, yeah?
Alright. I know, no. Sweet Lord, no. Hey, say a little prayer for this. Come on and teach the youth the truth. Cause so many are crying, so many are dying today. And say a little prayer for the youth. Come on and teach the youth the truth. Cause so many are crying, so many are dying today.
I say too much youths are dead,
and too many lose their mates.
Yeah. In the streets,
their morals spread like bed. I say please do not ignore. My mom can't take no more. So take us back where we belong before. And I say a little prayer for the youth. Come on and teach the youth that you want. So many are crying, so many are dying, many are dying, many are dying today.
I also like it's an album. It's an album release. It's like a proper rounded record. And people, that was Dohlance featuring Riccarbi right here in the Upper Live Show. Before we go, we can tell people how they can find you and find your music online.
Yeah, man, of course. Riccarbi, as I said, it's Riccarbi on the Instagram.
Yep.
Yeah. Rick, RICC _1. As I say, type in Riccarbi is Riccarbi the Facebook, Riccarbi Spotify, Riccarbi YouTube.
Yeah.
Riccarbi Twitter.
Yeah, and the most important one is the iTunes and the Spotify.
Yes.
Because it's easy. As I always say this, it's easy to buy a song, and especially if you're a raver or a person who likes a party, because the cheapest drink in a rave is £5.
Yep.
And the most expensive single is more than like is £2.
Okay.
And realistic is a £1.29 or something like that, or 99p.
Sure.
So it's very, very easy to find that, all right?
Mm-hmm.